everyone, welcome to another video. I'm super duper excited. If you can see in front of you, or in front of me, but in front of you because you're watching. Oh, anyway, I have a little bit of an unboxing that I want to do. Not too long ago, Mark Tuan and Anessa had a signature box that was created, and so I bought them. There were 3 different versions. Funny story, I was only trying to buy one, and then I really wanted the other card, so I bought another one, and that's where I'm at. Don't judge me! Anyway, I'm super excited. Super excited. They've been kind of hanging out in my house for the past 2 weeks just because I have a lot of things going on in my life and I had zero motivation. So we're gonna be doing it now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Lillian. If you're new here, welcome. I do makeup, K-pop, and just random videos that I want to do. I do a little bit of everything. I do a little bit of unboxings, K-pop, makeup. You'll see a vlog here and there. Just whatever I feel like it. This is like the catch-all channel. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought. Did you miss out? Do you regret not getting these boxes? It's okay. It's okay if you do. Mark and the rest of the GOT7 members have been doing a lot. So you'll most likely be able to catch something else. But if you're just returning to my channel, hi, welcome back. I missed you. I'm sure you missed me too. It's been a while. It's been a thing. Hello. Anyway, let's start. I'm gonna grab these scissors because as much as I usually don't care, I don't want to try to rip through this thing. So this is what the front looks like, or no, that's what the bottom looks like. This is what the front looks like. Oh my goodness, I love it. You'll see here Mark Tuan's name. Let me see the box, and then the back will have artist box, and then this is the bottom with the website and the details. So let's get all 3 of them kind of unpackaged from this bubble wrap, because noise is a thing. I'm going to try to get this uploaded. So it's currently Friday, the 10th. I want to get this up and out for you guys by tomorrow or Sunday, and then sometime next week, hopefully you guys will get a vlog. This is the first time I'm hanging out with 2 of my best friends in a 1.5 years, because it's been a thing the past 1.5 years. So I kind of want to vlog that. I feel like it'd be fun. So look out for a vlog in the near future. And then if I get too shy, it is what it is. It happens. I've vlogged in front of one of my friends and I haven't vlogged in front of the other. So they're about to get 2 separate things going. All right, so here are all 3 boxes. We're gonna go ahead and just do the top one first. And the top one, you get Mark Tuan and Anessa. Is it Anessa or Anessa? Someone tell me. In here we see the sunblocks. One's gel and one's milk. So all 3 boxes will have this. The reason why I bought this is the centerpiece, and this is what it looks like. Mark Tuan and Anessa, we have a passport, a boarding pass, and a little suitcase. So let's go ahead and open all of this up. Am I weird that I want to keep this intact? Yes. So there's that. And I love that it's beautifully packaged and protected. So here's the passport. here is the boarding pass. Has a picture of Mark in the back, his signature boarding pass, Mark Tuan, Mark to you. And that's really, really cute. And then the back, this is what the back looks like. And this is what your passport. Anyone else say passport? It's passport, but sometimes I say it passport because what is language? In Spanish, it's pasaporte. So I just mix both of them. So that's what that looks like. Put that here. And then we have the little suitcase, the little maleta. We have Mark and Anessa, the M for Mark on both sides. And in here, we're gonna get the cards. So each of the different sets that were available had a different card set that comes with it. This is so cute. And then we have Mark Tuan, and I forgot what this was. You would think I'd remember because hello, is me. And I did just order it, and I didn't order it that long ago. Like, it was relatively recent. They sent everything out, they did the pre-order and packaged everything out really quickly. And I don't remember what it was. So it comes in this nice sleek box. Oh, it's a notepad. I forgot. It's a photo book notepad. Oh my goodness. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, personally, I love stationery. If you are aware, and you're like, we don't know each other in real life, it's probably because you've peeped my art Instagram, and there I put a lot of my hauls, stationery hauls. So that's what this is. Oh, I can't wait to post this on there. This is so freaking cute. Okay, cards, and I think it came with each set was a set of 3. So these are my 3 cards for this set. This is what the back looks like. It's Mark's signature. Let me see. There you go. So yes, this is the first set. I'm so excited. Also, I probably have to move a little bit faster because I'm doing this during my lunchtime, y'all. Like, I'm at home and I was gonna take a nap, and then I was like, let me just get this out the way because, hello, I've put it off for so long. But I love this, and this would be a great little handbag. Like, hello, the handbag. I'm pretty sure your phone fits in here too. I would check, but my phone is currently what's recording because I'm not I used to use a camera, but it's packed somewhere. So this is this. Come on. That's the first box. All of them are repetitive. They'll all have the sunblock, the passport, the boarding pass. The only thing that will change, and the notepad. The only thing that's going to change is going to be the photo cards, which is why I bought all 3. Let's be honest, I'm a notepad hoarder. I love them. So notepad, we're not going to open that because we opened it with the first box. And then our photo cards. And the photo cards, even the backing is different, which I think they might all make part of his face. I don't know. We'll see. We'll check. So these are my 3 little photo cards for this set in particular. They are beautiful. And then the back looks like this. Yeah, I think each part makes a part of his face or a part of him. We'll see. If I don't have time to record that now, I'll record it when I'm done with work, which is at 3. And I'll kind of lay them all out. My Does it matter though? I was gonna say, my paranoid self will want to make sure that everything's back in its like proper box, but literally all these boxes are different. The way that they get you, or they got me, was because of the 3 separate sets of cards. That's literally it. Just so that you see that I'm not kidding. Here you go. But that is how they got us. Great marketing. A little pissed off because I'm like, it would have been nice if all the note cards would have, or all the notepads would have been different, as well as the photo cards. So then this is the last one. I know I'm kind of rushing through it. Promise you, I'm not. Literally everything else is the same except for the photo cards. And I need to get back to work soon. So we're doing this. Again, we get the sunscreens. This is how they get these fans, aka me. That is how they get us, by, you know, making it a collection, putting different cards, different photo cards in it, and saying there's 3 different sets when literally everything else is the same. Okay. Yes, they're all different parts of his face. You know what the sucky part is that I'm like putting everything back as I open them, so I didn't leave them out. So when I come back to do to reveal what the back shows, which is probably, it's just a picture of him, let's be honest, it's just a picture of him. I will have to go and dig through all these boxes for it. Anyway, so these are the other 3. And this is the back. So the back's the lower half. So I'm guessing this is set C. The second one that we opened was set B. And then the first one that we opened might have been set A. Or it could have been set C. So I guess we'll see. Because I don't remember if the first one was showing a shirt or was showing the top of his head. No, it was the shirt. Okay, so this is set B. Set A was the second one, and set C was the last one. But like I said, I'll go ahead and take out all these photo cards later and show them to you. Is it excessive? Yes. Did I need all 3? Logically speaking, no. But again, they got me with the photo cards because everything else is the same. But it's a cute packaging, it's a cute setup. The idea, well executed, and it looks cute also. Can we talk about how this color scheme just looks like Mark all the way? He loves his neutrals, so we are not surprised. But yeah, so I think this is B, A, and C. This is how the photo cards will be once I open them up again and show them. Editing me here, so this is the cards that I pulled, and this is the back of the cards, which is what I thought was just going to be a picture of him, but it looks amazing. I love it. But yeah, this was the unboxing. I did want to do it on camera because I've been on a roll with that. I do have another unboxing that I want to record and do with you guys, and that is for the most recent reprints of some of their older albums. I did manage to get my hands on them. Granted, I had bought some of them secondhand, but those are the first couple of reprints, so it'll be interesting to see. In some of the first ones that I did manage to buy secondhand, they didn't have the photo cards. So the good thing is we'll have the photo cards in those as well, that we're gonna sort through, and we're gonna open the albums, because some of them I didn't have at all whatsoever, and then others I did, but these are new copies that I went and I got myself. I do hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you want to know more of what I'm up to, I'll leave my, what I consider my quote unquote makeup Instagram along with my art Instagram. I also have a makeup Facebook. I have a Twitter that I don't use, a blog that I haven't been on in a while. I'll list everything down below if you want to go check it out. I do have a TikTok. Don't really post any original content on there, but I post stuff. I do. I really do. I try to anyways. And my TikTok is kind of my catch-all for both my makeup Instagram and my art Instagram. And I will hopefully see you next week unless life decides to hit me in the head again. Until next time, bye.